Welcome to this winter wonderland. Today we'll explore enchanting ways to transform your ordinary fence into a festive focal point. Whether you prefer a classic, cozy, or contemporary style, these winter fence decor ideas will inspire you to create a magical outdoor space. A timeless choice, evergreen garlands and wreaths add a touch of nature's elegance. Pair them with vibrant red berries or pine cones for a pop of color. Consider using faux greenery for a long-lasting, low-maintenance display. Illuminate your fence with the warm glow of string lights or icicle lights. These luminous accents create a magical ambiance, perfect for evening gatherings. For a modern twist, experiment with LED lights in various colors and patterns. Unleash your creativity with DIY decorations. Cut out intricate snowflakes from paper or cardboard, or paint wooden ornaments with wintry motifs. You can also use natural materials like twigs and pine cones to create unique ornaments. Add a touch of warmth and comfort by draping cozy blankets or throws over your fence. Choose colors and textures that complement your home's style. For a Scandinavian-inspired look, opt for neutral tones like white, gray, and beige. Bring the beauty of winter indoors with planters filled with evergreen shrubs, holly, or winterberry. These hardy plants will thrive in colder climates. You can also add a touch of whimsy with miniature snowmen or reindeer figurines. Make your fence truly unique by adding personal touches like family photos, handwritten messages, or artwork. These sentimental additions create a heartwarming display. Consider using weatherproof materials or protective coverings to preserve your decorations. Hang festive wreaths on your fence to welcome guests and add a touch of holiday cheer. Choose from a variety of materials, such as fresh greenery, dried flowers, or faux materials. You can also customize your wreaths with ribbons, bows, or ornaments. Add a touch of whimsy with winter-themed signs. You can purchase pre-made signs or create your own using wood, metal, or vinyl. Some popular winter-themed signs include Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Winter Wonderland. Remember, the key to successful winter fence decor is to let your imagination run wild. Experiment with different colors, textures, and styles to create a festive atmosphere that reflects your personal taste. By incorporating these creative ideas, you can transform your fence into a stunning winter wonderland. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more inspiring ideas. Happy decorating, and we'll see you in the next video.